Hello dear kids, good morning, welcome to English class. Today in English we are going to do the back side of lesson 10. Yesterday we read the lesson and we done the internal questions. Okay, let's start the back size. As per the lesson, tick the appropriate word for the each sentence. Correct word को हमने tick करना है. Yes, in first sentence the class is in a mess or dress. The class was in the mess, so we take the mess word. Okay, second, Geeta kisses the puss or doll. Geeta kisses the doll. Doll को kiss करते हैं बार बार. The puss has a red color का क्या था? Dress और brass. She wear a red dress. The boys toss the ball or doll. क्या toss कर रहे थे boys? Ball. The boys were tossing the ball. Oh sorry, I skipped the one. D part. The water is dash. Water कैसे था? More or less? Less water in the glass. And the last one is the puss has a yellow one is brass or dress. The puss has yellow brass. Okay dear kids, like this we have to take the words which is correct for the sentence and we will do the back size in our notebook. Answer the following questions. Where is Geeta? In the class. What does brass is? Brass is ta-ra-ra-ra. Where does the puss sit? The puss sit on the grass. And what does the puss make in the book? A cross. We will do this work in our copy or notebook. Okay? Yes dear kids, now the turn is of question answering. We will write the question answer in our notebook. First of all, we write the date 21st August 2021 and day is Saturday. Lesson 10. The name of the lesson is The Puss in the Class. Okay, question 1. A part. Where is the Geeta? Where is the Geeta? Geeta is in the class. So we'll write. But I am using pen, but you have to use pencils. In the class. CLASS. Okay, Geeta is in the class. Next, B part. What does brass says? Yes, what does brass says? Brass says ta ra ra. Again ta ra ra. Okay. C part. Where does the puss sit? Where does the puss sit? The puss sit on, and O is capital. On the grass. Okay, and the next question, what does the puss make in the book? And puss make a cross. Okay dear kids, after every answer there is a full stop and after every question there is a question mark. And every first word of answer and question, first word is capital. Okay dear kids, so like this do complete the question answer in your notebook. Have a nice day.